Welcome to Compariffy. Today we're comparing two cutting-edge wireless meat thermometers designed to take your cooking game to the next level, Typhur Sync and Chef IQ. In this video, we'll break down their features, similarities, and differences to help you decide which one fits your culinary style best. And remember, the links to access the best prices are in the video description. Similarities. Advanced temperature monitoring. Both devices offer precise temperature measurements to ensure your food is cooked to perfection. Typhur Sync features 6 sensors, 5 internal and 1 ambient, with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit, while Chef IQ comes with 5 sensors, for internal and 1 ambient, that deliver ultimate accuracy. Connectivity and display. Each thermometer connects via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Typhur Sync sports a 2.0-inch LCD display and supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and Chef IQ leverages a smart hub that not only serves as a Wi-Fi base station, but also provides real-time audible alerts. Quick charging and extended battery life. They're both engineered for convenience. Typhur Sync automatically enters sleep mode after 5 minutes when the probe is removed, and Chef IQ boasts over 70 hours of battery life, with a 5-minute quick charge giving you up to 10 hours of use. Water resistance and durability. Designed for the cooking environment, Typhur Sync is rated IPX8 for its probe, with the device base at IPX2, and Chef IQ's probes are waterproof and dishwasher safe, ensuring longevity even with regular cleaning. Premium build quality. Both thermometers are built with high-quality materials, stainless steel and ceramic, ensuring durable probes that stand up to the demands of high-heat cooking. Remember, the links to purchase both products at the best price are in the video description. Differences. Temperature range and heat resistance. Typhur Sync measures internal temperatures from 32 to 221 degrees Fahrenheit and ambient temperatures from 32 to 752 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for various cooking scenarios. Chef IQ, on the other hand, is designed to handle extreme heat with an ambient temperature range of up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for high-heat grilling. Probe design and dimensions. The Typhur Sync probe measures approximately 5.03 inches in length, ensuring precise readings. Chef IQ features an ultra-thin design at just 4.8 millimeters thick and 4.75 inches long, offering flexibility and ease of use during cooking. Connectivity range. Typhur Sync provides a transmission distance of up to 400 feet in open space, or 135 feet in closed spaces, while Chef IQ boasts unlimited range over Wi-Fi through its smart hub, allowing you to monitor your cooking from virtually anywhere. Additional features. Chef IQ takes connected cooking to the next level with a built-in speaker for real-time audible alerts and a smart hub that wirelessly charges your probes via USB-C. In contrast, Typhur Sync focuses on straightforward, reliable performance with an automatic sleep mode for energy efficiency. Remember, the links to purchase both products at the best price are in the video description. Both Typhur Sync and Chef IQ offer impressive features to elevate your cooking experience. If you need a robust thermometer with an extended transmission range and a straightforward design, Typhur Sync is a fantastic choice. However, if you value next-gen connectivity, a built-in speaker for audible cooking alerts, and the ability to handle extreme heat, Chef IQ stands out as the superior option. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific cooking needs and style. And remember, the links to purchase both products at the best price are in the video description. Remember to like the video, comment, and activate the notification bell. See you at the next video.